Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are fine and welcome back to my channel Jafrin's Vlog. So today I am doing a video on my ornaments. So hope you enjoy this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So among these ornaments, most of are from the foreign countries. My mother brought it for me and I love these ones. And this one especially, this is a ring plus a bracelet. And honestly, I love ornaments more than makeup, cause makeup is a thing which is artificial. It makes you look artificial. It doesn't enhances your real beauty, but the ornaments is a thing that enhances your inner beauty and makes your beauty more beautiful. And if anyone tell me to choose any ornaments, then I will definitely choose this one, cause this one was very special to me. My mother gifted on my birthday and it's very special to me. And over here the earrings, we can see these are very classical earrings, so I usually wear these on parties. And this is a necklace. I also love necklaces a lot. And over here you can see more necklaces. Actually these are sets with earrings. And this is a necklace that we can wear traditionally with saris, and those were earrings. And these are the earrings that I wear usually, not occasionally, when I go somewhere with my dresses. These are actually fancy earrings that I love a lot, and I wear it when I go outside for shopping or anything I need, or relatives home or traveling. I love these, and these earrings are very light. I feel very comfortable wearing these earrings, especially this round one. This round one is super light and I love light earrings a lot. And here we can see two necklaces, and these two are very pretty. I brought them from Boshundhara and these are very pretty. And over here you can see my sunglass and my watches, my bracelets, and this is a watch from Guess, Real Guess. My grandmother brought it from Canada, from the real showroom of Guess.
Was it all in my fantasy? Where are you now? Were you only imaginary? Where are you now? Atlantis, under the sea, under the sea.
And over here you can see my rings. And I hope that you have noticed that most of my ornaments are with stones, cause I love stones. I love when they shine and they enhances the real beauty in it, so I love them a lot. Big ring over here, you can wear it with traditional saris or whatever. And over here you can see the small things of mine, and that ring was gifted, a person gifted me, and these are the things that I got on my birthday. My friends, some of them were given by my friends, and some of them was given by my family. These earrings, these little earrings, I love this a lot. This necklace as well, and this is a bracelet. I love it a lot, and this is also a bracelet.
Under the bright but faded lights, you set my heart on fire. Where are you now? Where are you
And this one my bestie gifted me on best friend's day, and this is a bracelet that my grandmother gave me. It is from Saudi Arabia, and this is the bangles I got from Kolkata, India. And this is this is a tikli, and I got it from Bosundhara, Bangladesh. And look at the disaster I did during doing this vlog.
so lost? I'm faded. So lost, I'm faded.
So guys, thanks a lot for watching my video. Hope you all like it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks to you all. Fi amanillah.